While the world was expecting the usual parade of sleek EVs and crossovers, Hyundai just dropped something completely different, and it rocks. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Hyundai Boulder Concept, the surprise global debut that just changed the conversation. This bold, upright, SUV-shaped concept is Hyundai's first serious preview of a fully body-on-frame vehicle. And yes, it's the clear design direction for their upcoming midsize pickup truck, scheduled to arrive by 2030. Built on a stout ladder frame platform, the Boulder Concept was created for one thing: real American adventure. We're talking serious off-road capability, confident towing and hauling, and that no-nonsense presence truck buyers have been asking for. Styled under Hyundai's new Art of Steel design language, every line and surface celebrates the strength and beauty of steel. The upright two-box silhouette, massive 37-inch mud-terrain tires, full-size spare mounted on the tailgate, coach-style doors, and that tough liquid titanium finish all scream capability. Look closer and you'll notice clever details: reflective tow hooks and door handles that glow at night, a versatile double-hinged tailgate that opens from either side, and even a power drop-down rear window for extra-long cargo or fresh airflow while driving. Inside, the Boulder keeps it rugged and practical. Robust materials on high-wear areas, physical knobs and buttons you can trust even when the trail gets rough, and smart fold-out tray tables perfect for a trail lunch or getting work done in the field. But this concept is about more than just looks. Hyundai is sending a very clear message. Their future body-on-frame vehicles will be designed in America, developed for America, built in America, and made with Hyundai-produced U.S. steel. Jose Munoz, president and CEO of Hyundai Motor Company, said it best: "Body-on-frame vehicles are the backbone of American work and adventure, and we intend to compete in the midsize pickup segment with everything we have." This Boulder Concept is part of Hyundai's aggressive plan to launch 36 new vehicles in North America by 2030, and it's their boldest step yet into segments they've never played in before. Right now, it's still a design study, but the trail it's blazing is unmistakable: a rugged, capable midsize pickup that could finally give American buyers a fresh new choice from Hyundai. So tell me, does the Boulder Concept make you excited for a Hyundai truck in the future? Would you take one of these off-road? Drop your thoughts in the comments.